In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome and search for HP LaserJet P1005 driver. Once you have typed it, hit the enter key and in that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to the page where you can get the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to wait until it would be set here. Now, all you need to proceed here is to check it if it's our operating system has been automatically detected. Unfortunately, it's not detecting for Windows 11 since this printer driver doesn't offer for Windows 11, but don't worry because Windows 10 works well with Windows 11. So please scroll down on the list and navigate here to driver product installation software and proceed to basic drivers. So here at the basic drivers, you can see there a download option. Click on it. Okay. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And once you have clicked on it, navigate to the downloads, okay, and you would be able to see this one. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, you need to make a right click and go with this cut icon. And once you have clicked on it, close the windows and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so once you have pasted the driver or the file here, please double tap to extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract this file or application or tool. So click on extract to, and in a few moments it would be extracted. Once a new file folder has been placed, then we need to proceed directly to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So here at the settings, this is where we gonna install our printer driver. So we just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. By the way, you can also press directly Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings easily. Navigate directly to the left pane, click on Bluetooth and devices, and here at the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for printers and scanners. And you can get an option where you can add device, click on it, and wait again until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Okay, so once it's here, click on add manually. And from here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. And from here, go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file desktop, then we need to navigate there. Please scroll down, navigate to the extracted file, double tap, and it will show you the driver. Click on open and click on OK. And it would be placed here. All you need to do is you need to locate for a printer driver, which is HP LaserJet P1005. Click on next. And then all you need to do is you need to click on next again. And in that way, it will now start in the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. So if it happened that your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on running the installation. Once good, please click on next and all you need to do is you need to click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in Windows 11 PC. So without any further ado, close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.